EpicToysTV.
Today we are building animals using magnetic blocks. Let's build it together. Firstly, we are building legs with long triangles. Secondly, we'll use squares to build a body. Next, small triangles to make a tail. Can you guess what animal is it? No? Let's continue then. 2 trapezes and hump is ready. Ho ho ho! And we have an egg. What about the head? Yes, it's here. Oh, look at that! Now you can see what animal it is. It is a camel. It looks like a real one, isn't it? Isn't it pretty cool? Okay, we're back with another animal. What could it be? We start with big rectangles, some squares and trapezes. There are back legs. Now it's time to put everything together. It looks pretty cool, but it's missing something. What could it be? A neck! We need to finish front legs as well. Finally, we've attached the elements to legs. Wow, guys, check it out! It's a frog! Wow, the frog is jumping! Isn't it pretty cool? That's the real one? Does it look similar? That was easy. Perfect. Thanks kids for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and see you in the next episode. Bye!